Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build job postings with Workable integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate build job postings with Workable integrations, begin by logging into your Workable account. Navigate to the dashboard area of your account. Locate the Integrations tab on the sidebar. Click on the Integrations tab to access all available integrations. Search for the specific platform you want to integrate with, such as LinkedIn or Indeed. Once you find the desired integration, click on it to open the integration details. Review the integration information to understand how it works with Workable. Click the Activate button to start the integration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your accounts. You may be asked to grant permissions or provide API keys. Enter any required credentials to establish the connection. Once connected, return to the integrations page. Look for settings options to customize your job postings. Adjust the job posting settings according to your needs. Save any changes to ensure your settings are applied. Next, navigate to the Job Posts tab in Workable. Click on Create New Job to start the job posting process. Fill in all necessary details for the job, including title, description, and location. Select the appropriate hiring team or members to be notified. Look for the option to publish the job via the integrated platform. Choose the integration you activated earlier to post the job there. Review all entries to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click the Publish button to post your job on the selected platform. Monitor the job posting performance through the Workable dashboard. Adjust your settings or posting strategy as needed based on results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.